In Brockton, Lee Harmon was a familiar figure, riding his bike or handing out religious tracts. A father of 6 and a grandfather of 12, the 74-year-old was murdered in August. Today, in the courtroom in Brockton, some 20 of his relatives were on hand when the man authorities say killed Lee Harmon was appeared in court. Carlos R. Velazquez was ordered held without bail after a not guilty plea was entered on his behalf. According to the prosecution, the murder weapon was Lee Harmon's own hammer, a tool that he had with him because he was heading over to his disabled daughter's home to reinstall a shower curtain in her bathroom.
Also found, Your Honor, was what appeared to be a blood-stained handle to a hammer located next to the apparent blood pool, Your Honor.
At one point during the arraignment, the violence that Velazquez is accused of committing against Harmon so astonished the judge that he asked the prosecution if there was a reason for it, a motive for this horrific crime. And the Commonwealth told the judge that there was none that they knew of at this point.
Shocking allegations, basically, at this point.
Among those in court today was Lee Harmon's wife of 55 years, Frances Harmon. She said that after the court appearance that she hopes that Mr. Velazquez spends the rest of his life in prison, given that he is accused of taking the life of her husband.
They should put him behind bars the rest of his life, because he's dead the rest of his life, so they should put him away the rest of his life.
Velazquez's defense attorney, William F. Sullivan, literally picked up the case at about 11 o'clock this morning, and he had very little time to familiarize himself either with his client or the allegations or the evidence against him. But Mr. Sullivan has said that he will vigorously protest his client's innocence in court. My name's John Richardson Element, and I'm a reporter for the Boston Globe.